लर्निंग एंड भी आपण मानकु आम यूट्यूब चैनल को स्वागत करुच्ची। आपनक ओ डबल एस सी एलटीआर एग्जाम टी शेष हो जाइए। तेबे एथिरे आमे सेट बी रो आपनक शॉर्ट रे आपनक जो रही ओरिजिनल आंसर जो रही अनऑफिशियल आपनक आंसर टी कौन रहिबो शॉर्टली ए वीडियो टी बहुत शॉर्ट हेबाको जाउची। तेबे वीडियो टी को शेष पर्यंत देखिबे सेट बी आपण माने चेक करि परिबे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए मैन सोल्ड टू व्हील्स चेयर ऑफ द 500 each one he gained 20% and other losses 12%. How much does he gain or loss in whole transaction? Right answer table 1.5% gain. Question number second, a sum of money lent out of the simple interest amount the Rs 720 after the 2 years and Rs 1020 after a further period of 5 years. The sum of right answer टी हेबो Rs 600. Question number 3, आपण माने अरिथमेटिक रो राइट आंसर टी हेबो आपण मानक बी 3 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, आपण को राइट आंसर टी हेबो बी 60. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, एवरेज एज ऑफ ज्यूरिसी 5 इज 40 यार राइट आंसर टी हेबो बी 38. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, अरिथमेटिक आपण को राइट आंसर टी हेबो सी 17. 7 number question, a number of the set of auditorium is increased by 25%. The price of the ticket is also increased by the 12%. Then the increased revenue collection will be right answer to have a 40%. Question number 8, a person tax loan of the 10,000 partly from bank at 8% per annum and remaining from the other bank at 10% per annum. He pay a total interest of the 950 per annum. Amount of the loan taken from the first bank RS is 2,500. Question number A is right. Question number 9, an article was sold for the Rs 96 if a percentage of the profit was numerical equal to the cost price. The cost price of the article is the right answer to have a B 60 Rs. Question number 10, 3 students A, B, C play cricket. Thus runs score A and B respectively are in the ratio 3:2. B and run of C runs are the also in same ratio together. They score 342 runs. Then the run score R by B are right answer to have a B 108. Question number 11, A, B, C and C complete a work in 2 hours. If A does the job alone in 6 hours and B 5 hours, how long will we take for the C to finish the job alone? Right answer to have a B 7 by 1.2 hours. Question number 12, the ratio of the number of boys girls in a college 3:2. If a 20% the boys and 25% the girls are the adult and percentage of those students who are not adult is right answer to have a C 78%. Question number 13, successive discount of the 10% and 30% are equivalent to the single discount of right answer to have a D 57%. Question number 14, a car travel 432 km on 48 liter petrol. How far will we travel on the 20 liter of petrol? Right answer to have 180 km. Question number 15, 120 men had food provision of the 200 days. After 5 days 30 men left the place. How long will the remaining food last? Right answer to have 260 days. 60 days. Question number 16, two pipes and A and B can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively, while a third pipe C can empty the full tank in 20 minutes. All the 3 pipes are the open in beginning. However, the pipe C is closed 6 minutes before the tank is filled. In the what time will be tank be filled? Right answer to have a B 7. Question number 70, if 1 by 8 of the pencil is black and 1 by 2 of the remaining is white and the remaining 3 by 1 3 and a half centimeter is blue, find the total length of the pencil. Right answer to have a C 8 centimeter. Question number 18, find the maximum number of the student among whom 1001 pens and 910 pencil can be distributed in such a way that each student get the same number of the pen and same number of pencil. Right answer to have a 91. Question number 90, 20 liter of the maximum content milk and water in ratio of the 5:3. If 4 liter of the maximum is replaced by 4 liter of milk, then find the ratio of the milk to that of the water in the new mixture. Right answer to have a D 7:3. Question number 20, 3 years ago X age was double Y's. 7 years hence the sum of their unit age will be 83 years. The age of the X today Right answer you have a C, 45 years. Logical reasoning, analytical ability, general mental ability. If the SCASONAL is written in the ESSANOLA, how can SCPARATE can be written in that code? Right answer to have a D, D ESAPARET. Question number 22. A man started from the place, walked toward the north for 5 kilometers, then turned 90 degree to his right and walked another 5 kilometers, then he turned 45 degree and his right and walked 2 kilometers and turned 45 degree to his left. What is the direction now? Right answer to have a C, east have a. Question number 23. Which of the given letter group follow the same principle on the which of the number are arranged in the given number? 5, 8, 13, 20, and 29. Right answer to have a C, A, D, I, P, Y. Question number 24. From the given alternative word, selected the word which cannot be formed using the letter of the given word. E, C, C, E, N, T, R, I, C, I, T, Y. Right answer to have a tricky. K आपण माने एठारे नाही. Right answer to have a B. Question number 25. The day before the day before yesterday, it is 3 days after Saturday. What day it is today? Right answer you have a B, Friday. Osaka is facing east. He turned 90 degree and anti-clockwise direction and then another 180 degree turn into same direction. Finally, he turned 45 degree in clockwise direction. In which direction he is facing now? Right answer you have a southwest direction. Question number 27 30. ଏହା ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଟ୍ରି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 27 ର ହୁ ଇଜ ଦ ସିଷ୍ଟର ଅଫ ଟି ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଟି ହେବ ଡି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଇନସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 28 ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ପ୍ରୋଫେସନ ଅଫ ପି ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଟି ହେବ ନର୍ସ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 29 which of the following are two marriage couples right answer ଟି ହେବ ସି ୟୁଏସ୍ and QP question number 30 which of the following is definitely group of male member right answer ଟି ହେବ Q and U question number 31 in a certain code pause is written in the OBVT D shift is written in the RIJS how will the thing will be written in the same code right answer to have a B SIJOJ question number 32 Ajay walked 2 meter towards east 2k right turn and walked 7 meter he then 2k left turn and walked 5 meter before taking a left turn and walking 7 meter he then 2k final right turn and walked 1 meter before stopping. How far is Ajay from the starting point? Right answer to have 8 meter. Question number 33. If Saturday falls on the 14th January 1997, what is the week will fall on the 4th January 1998? Right answer to have D. Sunday. Question number 34. If one is subtracted from each even digit and 2 is added to each odd digit in the number 463852 how many digit will be repeated in the new number thus form right answer you have a C 2 question number 35 Trupti correctly remember that the last time she went to leaves was before the 16 but after 11 summer Samir correctly remember that last time Trupti one leaves up was after 13 on but before 18 on which day of the month did Trupti definitely go on leave right answer you have a D either 14 or 15 এটা ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ପେସେଜଟିଆ ରହିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 36 37 ରୁ ଏହା ଆପଣମାନେ ରିଡ୍ କରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସରଟି କହୁଛି ହାଉ ଫାର ଦ କିରଣ ଇଜ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ହି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସରଟି ହେବ ଡି 30 ମିଟର ହୁଇଚ୍ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ କିରଣ ଫେସିଂ ନାଉ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସରଟି ହେବ 37 ର ବି ୱେଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 30 ହାଉ ମେନି ଟାଇମ୍ ଆର୍ ଦ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ଦ କ୍ଲକ୍ ମିଡ୍ ଇନ୍ ଏ ଡେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସରଟି ହେବ ଏ 22 in which of the following expressions so T is mother of L? Right answer T have THL. Question number 40. A plus M into V R. What is the relation of the V and F? Right answer T have C. Niche, computer and internet awareness. 41. What is the full form of the CPU? Central Processing Unit. आपनों का right answer है Which of the following unit responsible for converting the data received from the user into a computer on the stable format right answer to have arithmetic and logic unit question number 43 what does USB stand for right answer to have a C universal serial bus question number 44 a computer dash is a malicious code which shall replicate by copying itself to other program right answer to have a B virus Question number 45, shortcut key for the subscript is, right answer you have a C, control plus equal to. Question number 45, any system that user HTTP protocol is called, right answer you have a web browser. Question number 47, which one of the following is known as the permanent memory, right answer you have a B, ROM, read only memory. Question number 48, a place that an user can create a store files, right answer you have a B, folder. Question number 49, the hardware in which data may be stored for a computer system is called, right answer you have a B, chip. Question number 50, the arithmetic logic unit perform dash operation, right answer you have a C, logical operation. Question number 51, a smallest unit of storage is called, right answer you have a B, bit. Question number 52, CD-ROM drive is used, right answer you have a C, to play compact disc. Question number 53, to protect yourself from computer hacker, you should turn on, right answer you have a C, firewall. Question number 54, which of the following control the manner of interaction between the user and the operating system, right answer you have a user interface. Question number 55, which file format method encoding picture on computer, right answer you have a JPEG. Question number B. Question number 56, zip is a dash file, question right answer you have a D, compressed file. Question number 57, to restart the computer, which of the following combination of key is used, right answer you have a D, control alt plus delete. Question number 58, malware is used for all of the above, right answer about D. RAM is also called, right answer you have a volatile memory. Question number 60, Microsoft, what is an example of the, right answer of a C, an application software. Current event and national international importance. Question number 61, where were the 38 national games held in January February 2024, right answer you have a B, Uttarakhand. Question number 62, who was sworn as the chief minister of Delhi on the February 2025, right answer you have a B, Mrs. Rekha Gupta. Question number 63, who is the current chief justice of India, right answer you have a B, Justice Sri Sanjeev Khanna. Question number 64, what is the per capita income Odisha 2024-25 as per the Odisha Economic Survey 2024-25, right answer to have a D, 1,82,548. Question number 65, which among the following four nations could not reach the semi-final champions trophy conduct February March 2012, ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ଯାଇନି, right answer ଟି ହେବ A. Question number 66, which city Indonesia relocating in capital from Jakarta, right answer ଟି ହେବ B, Nusantara. Question number 67, Amir of Qatar visit India February 2024, held talk of the Prime Minister India, name of the Amir of Qatar, right answer টি ହେବ Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. Question number 60, Sam Benegal. Sam Benegal died in December 2024. In which field of the primary distinguished champion, right answer टी ହେବ C, filmmaking. Question number 69, who has been appointed chairman of the NHRC in December 2024, right answer टी ହେବ C, Justice Sri Rama Subramaniam. Question number 70, which country became the first Europe to enact the law of the menstrual leave, right answer टी ହେବ A, Spain. General study. Question number 71, under which list of the 7th schedule Indian constitution is the subject education listed, right answer to have a C, concurrent list. Question number 72, which among the following is not fundamental right answer to have a right to property. Question number 73, which article Indian constitution abolishes untouchability, right answer to have a B, article 17. The procedure of the amendment of constitution describe which article of the Indian constitution, right answer ଟି ହେବ A, 368, କାରଣ ଯାହା ଦେଇଛି 352, 360, 356 ଏହା ଆପଣଙ୍କ emergency ପାଇଁ ଏ article ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରହିଥାଏ। ତ question number 75, article 1 the Indian constitution reads the right answer ଟି ହେବ A, India that is Bharat shall be union of the state. Question number 76, which among the following listed fundamental right Indian constitution, right to education. Question number 77, how many languages are listed 8th schedule of Indian constitution, right answer will be 22. Question number 78, which of the following bank is central bank of our country, right answer will Reserve Bank of India. Question number 79, what is the full form of MSME, right answer will have a micro small medium enterprises. Question number 80, in nominal GDP term, what is the current rank of the Indian economy in the world, right answer टी ହେବ 5th largest. Question number 81, as per the economic survey 2024-25, nominal GDP of India has reached the right answer टी ହେବ A, Question number 82. Globally, which industry contribute maximum to greenhouse gases emission? Right answer to have a power and transmission. Question number 83. Which among the following is main constitute of biogas after methane? Right answer to have carbon dioxide. Question 84. As per the national forest policy, what should be the ideal percent forest cover India the maintaining ecological balance? Right answer to have a 33%. Question number 85. As per the latest forest survey of India report 2020, total forest cover the country is. Right answer to have a. Question number 86. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh mass scare take place? Right answer to have a C. 1919 April 13. When was the Quiet India movement launched? 8 August 1942. Question 80. Which of the following was not precipitation factor launching the non-cooperation movement? Right answer टी आपण कहिजिबो violence of Chori Chora police station. Question number 89. Third battle of Panipat between Maratha Afghan may took place in the year. Right answer टी have C. 1761. Question number 90. The Sun Temple of Konark was constructed in the right answer टी have A. 13th century AD. Question 91. He attended the first roundtable conference London 1931 and the demanded separate Odisha province name each are the question number right have a C. Maharaja Krishna Chandra Gajapati Narayana Dev. In 1992, in which year the Nanka famine effect Odisha 1866? Question number B is the right. Question number 93. What are the name of the capital of King Kharavela? Right answer to have a B. Kalinga. Question number 94. Which of the following is not close sea? Right answer to have a Black Sea. Question number 95. Which forest is known as the largest rainforest in the world? Right answer to have a C. Amazon rainforest. Question number 96. Which state has the highest density of the population in India according to 2011 census? Right answer to have a B. Right answer to have a Bihar. Question 97. Which among the following river does not passes through Odisha? Right answer to have a Ganga. In Malkangiri, district headquarters is the farthest from the capital Bhubaneswar. Which district headquarters is the second farthest from the state capital of the Bhubaneswar? Right answer to have a Navarangpur. Question number 99. What is the percent of rural population Odisha as per the latest 2011 census? Right answer to have a B. 83.3%. The question number 100. What is the area of the Odisha? Right answer to have a 1,55,707 square kilometer. तो आशा करुच्छे आपको ये सेट्र आपको बी सेट्र एनसर टी आपको देछि आपण माने निश्चित भाव चेक करनतु और अन्य जदि सेट रही निश्चित आपण माने आपन क्वेश्चन टी अन्य अन्य नंबर रे रही ताहाकू आपण माने मिलाई नेबे।